Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. Today I will show you a very beautiful crochet mat designs. You will see in this video very beautiful patterns. This pattern is made a crochet work. A crochet work is a very old work, and this time is very demanding work. Many peoples is know this work, and this designs is so beautiful. Some designs is so funny. You can make your kids and some designs is very useful for your kitchen and dining table. I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. This designs is so beautiful. Your kids is so like these designs. You can decor your kitchen and dining table with these designs. This is so beautiful and useful video for you. I try my best to give you a very useful videos. Please give me the comments. I read your comments and I feel very good and I feel very happy. You can see my video and catch the ideas in your work and business purpose and grow up your business. This is so beautiful and wonderful pattern. Crochet work is so amazing work. I love this work very much. This is so useful work. Some designs are very beautiful and some designs are very funny and so unique designs. I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. Please give me the comments in comment box. I read your comments and feel very happy. Friends, you like my video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.